Hello, welcome to an e-demo on Diagnostics in victorWeb. Okay, so I'm signed into victorWeb here. I'm going to open up the Diagnostics interface by choosing the Monitor menu and then selecting Diagnostics there from the drop-down. And you'll see that the first thing victorWeb is going to do is attempt to open up the alert dashboard. But because we haven't accessed a diagnostics information before, we're getting this error message here which says health event monitoring is not enabled, and to enable it I need to click on the bell icon and select which devices I want to enable monitoring for. So let's go ahead and do that. The bell icon is in the upper right of the interface. Just select it there. You'll see that I have all of the devices which are added to victorWeb listed there. So I have my Victor application server and I have two video edge recorders as well. I can select those individually, or I can just choose the enable all button to enable them all. Once I've done that, you'll see that the alert dashboard becomes populated with any current alerts on any of those devices. And you'll see in this instance we have an alert for a video edge recorder that it is overheating. What I can do is I can select the alert and I can drill down a little bit further and get some more information on that and indeed the device itself. You'll see when I do that, this device is now normal. Okay, so I'm going to choose the back arrow to go back out to my alert dashboard. And what I'm going to do then is move up to the upper right hand corner, and you'll see there are a couple of options up there. First one is report. If I select that, I'm going to get a pop-up box here allowing us to generate a report of that alert dashboard. The first thing I need to do is select which data I want to have in my report. To do that, I can just place a check mark next to anything in this list. So I'm going to check a few things here. Once I'm happy with my selection, I need to choose what kind of report I would like. I have the option to choose PDF. I can choose a comma separated value or a CSV file, and I can also email that report if I want to. I'm going to choose PDF. You'll see that I get a PDF generated, and that is downloaded automatically to the browser's download folder. I can just open that up there, and you'll see we have a nicely formatted PDF report with all of the information which we've selected there. So let's close out of that then. And the other option in the upper right hand corner is this snooze button. That allows us to just snooze the alert dashboard for a set period of time and also choose some additional options there if we want to do that. Okay, so let's move on then to the next part of diagnostics, and that is the device health section. So I'm just going to select the device health icon. That's going to open up all of my device alerts, but they're going to be categorized by device types. You can see we have recorders and cameras. So what I can do is I can just select a category. If I choose recorders, you'll see we have all of the alerts which relate to recorders there. And up at the top here, I can change the display of that list, either graphical or just a normal list. And again, I have the two options in the upper right hand corner. I can create a report of this, and again I can snooze it. Okay, so the final section then is the system dashboard. If we select that, you're going to get a lot of information about devices which are connected to this system. So you can see we have CPU usage, network usage, memory usage, disk usage, etc. And what I can do is I can change what is displayed in each of these panes by choosing the drop down at the top and just selecting which device I would like that information for, or I can choose top 5 as well. And each of those boxes has a drop down at the top. What I can also do though is I can choose this master widget control checkbox at the top here. And now what I can do is I can set those values for the entire system dashboard. So you'll see we have time options here, we have device options, and we also have the ability to display donut charts and bar charts. What I can also do is I can save my master widget configuration just by choosing this save icon in the upper right hand corner.